What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today I'm going to be showing you my 89 F-350. It's got a 7.3 liter non-turbo iDi diesel, but someone put an ATS turbo on it before I got it, which originally when I got this truck about 14 or 15 years ago, it had a set of these 35-inch BFGs, and I ended up putting on some 37-inch military tires that came off the Humvees. And I ran the 37s for a while, but we ended up puncturing one of them. So I ended up going back with the 35-inch BFGs just because I was doing a lot of towing. And I wanted a tire that was a little more available in case I ended up getting a flat somewhere. I could go ahead and get a tire, didn't have to search for a 37-inch military tire. Kind of go ahead and show you guys. Now I've been using this truck for its intended purpose. We use it to tow all the time. We tow bouncers. You see I got some sandbags behind the trailer. The trailer's hooked up to it now. Now this truck is a four-wheel drive. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and show you guys the inside here. It is dirty because we've been using this truck a lot, but as you can see, the seats are still in really good condition. Got the 5-speed right there. It really needs to be cleaned. It's been pretty dusty out here with the wind blowing, so it's pretty dirty in the inside here. Go ahead and pop the hood. Had to set the camera down for a second. I needed both hands, but you can see we got the ATS turbo. There's the air box, and the turbo's tucked up back behind there. Now we ended up putting new injectors in this probably like 2 years ago, and a lift pump about 6 months ago. I was having some issues where the fuel was going down into the oil and kept overfilling my oil. At first I thought it was the injectors, which the injectors were leaking a little bit, but it was the injector pump that was causing the main problem. And then also I ended up putting a electric lift pump on it. You kind of see it on there. I don't remember the brand because I did that probably about 12, 13 years ago. But that pump has been working great. It makes it easier to prime the fuel if you run out of fuel, or if you change the fuel filter. It makes it so much easier, so you don't have to sit there and kind of crank to get that fuel to pump up to get all the air out of the lines. And then we did put on a regulator because the fuel pump was a couple pounds more than factory, so we went ahead and put a regulator on it to turn the fuel down a little bit. And I'll go ahead and show you. I ended up leveling the truck out. I put 2-inch blocks on the front. I know it's kind of frowned upon to put them on the front, but I haven't had any issues. I did that probably 12 years ago or so. It's been working out great. Now I'll put that fuel pump, I'll show you guys, I put it on a toggle switch. Now originally when I got this truck, it had 2 auxiliary tanks, and the guy kind of put on valves or something right here, and they were sticking up out of the bottom right there just in front of the rear wheels. So I went ahead and took those off because I didn't need all those tanks. And then I put the fuel pump on a toggle switch here, just to kind of run it. I didn't want to tie it into the ignition just because there was a lot of wires going everywhere. The guy ran before me, so I've been kind of going through all the wires, kind of getting rid of what I don't need. Now we'll go ahead and give this thing a start. It is really early in the morning, so this will be the first start of the day. We'll give it a little cold start here. Whoops, I'll turn that off for a second. Put those glow plugs heat up. Flip on the fuel pump. Man, those gauges are really dirty. I'll definitely have to do a wipe down on those here pretty soon. They stay fired right up. I think it's got those are pretty good. But alright, you guys, that was just my little walk around on my 89 F-350. I hope you guys liked the video, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.